Okay guys, we have got the Bronco all ready for primer, so we are gonna prime it today. We have the tailgate out on the other truck. We're gonna get it out, sand it down real quick, and then it'll be ready for primer. We're gonna move this out of here, back the Bronco out, give the shop a quick sweep out, lay a tarp down, and then we will tape off areas and clean off the Bronco, and then we will prime it. So let's get to doing that. Off the ground so we can. Quick sand down so the primer will stick nice. So we are getting our gun all ready to go, redneck style. Tip this off. So no more dust gets in, so there's already a lot more dust than I'd like in here. Okay, nice. Okay, now let's kind of test on this, see how it goes. Where's the
right there?
Wax and grease remover? Okay. Wax and grease remover.
Whoa.
Oops. Here's to clean this up. Do a good clean dive. Okay, this is going to be our test subject because, yeah, I don't want to spray on that unless I know it's going to work. are getting her all taped off. It's looking good. Got a few more things to tape off, and then we will get to priming this bad boy. I'm super excited for it. We'll see how it turns out. A little bit better. Nice little stirring. We are so pro. Ready?
Yep.
We're gonna see how this goes. Looks pretty good. We've got all the coats of primer on. It looks great. Check a look at that. Check a look at that.
I'm in the way.
Take a look at that. It is looking beautiful. I was kind of worried my bodywork was going to show up a little bit, and it does. But for this Bronco, I'm not too concerned about it. For the Mustang out there, I will be a little more concerned about it. But it turned out really good. I'm excited to lay the first coat, base coat on, and get the color on that, so we can actually have some color in our lives with this bad boy instead of just gross looking paint. But anyways, I think it turned out great. We are gonna let it dry off, then we're gonna wet sand, or we're gonna sand it in spots. I have some runs. Where did I see some runs? I have a run back here that I need to sand out, but other than that, it looks great. So we're gonna keep on working on this, and next step is gonna be painting the base coat on. So yeah, let's do it. Today we are gonna paint the Bronco, and it's gonna be awesome. It has been a long time coming, and we have all the supplies back there. Look at all them stuff. Anyways, we're gonna get to the shop, and then we will see you there. I got a new light. Hopefully it works good.
No, look, it's got the
Oh, right here.
adjustables.
We need to go high. Wow, that'll be nice when it's actually dark. All right, so first we need to hit the whole Bronco with a quick 400 grit sand so the paint will stick good. And then we will get to paint this bad boy, so let's do it. We got the Bronco, all the primer is sanded off. We're gonna hit it with some soap and water real quick, get it all real clean and nice. Then we're gonna degrease it, and then we're gonna paint it. Oh yeah. All right, we're getting the paint open. Got everything ready. It is gonna look good. Let's see what we got here.
I'm not good at opening paint cans.
That looks nice. We'll give it a quick stirry stir.
Mm.
I don't know.
It smells like bubble gum.
See my awesome paint pouring method? I was not doing very good on this one. Mm-hmm. Whoops. Okay. Woo! Yeah. That was good, huh?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we have got it all painted. It is looking really nice. We're gonna let the paint dry, and then we will get a very nice video on the outside of the outside when it is sunny outside. So we will do that after we clean up this shop because we made it pretty messy while we were painting. But yeah, I am very happy with how this turned out. What do you think, babe?
It looks great.
Huh?
Do I have blue on my face?
Look at my little Smurfy. All right, guys. Yeah, we will get it outside and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, we have got the Bronco outside and it looks absolutely beautiful. This paint is absolutely gorgeous. I am beyond stoked with how this thing has turned out. This thing has far exceeded my expectations, like dream-wise. Like I had a dream for this, but I didn't realize it was gonna be this good. So I'm so stoked on it and can't wait to get it all finished up. So we're gonna keep working on it today. We are gonna get the sound ending stuff in, and then my other interior parts should be here at the end of this week, and we will get those all put in too. So we're going to keep on working on this Bronco and getting it looking awesome. Hello people, it is time to finish the interior of the Bronco now. So we're gonna do that. Hey guys, it's time to finish this Bronco up once and for all. Got a lot of interior pieces to put in, but we're gonna do it because it needs to get done. And I wanna get working on the Mustang, so let's get doing it. All right guys, here's a quick update on how everything's going. We got, whoa. Anyways, we got the driver's side all done, buttoned up. It is looking really nice. Just finished up the passenger side door panel, gonna get the rest of the floor stuff in. Then we will move to the back, get it all finished up, get a sub hooked in, and then we will put the glass in the tailgate and we will be done with this bad boy. So let's keep at it. All right guys, we are pretty much finished. Got to get bolts for the back seat and the trim on the front done. But other than that, it is looking really good. I am super happy to finally almost be done with this. All the interior's looking nice. Looks really good, but yeah, so we're gonna keep getting this all wrapped up. Probably, keep working on it a little bit. I'm waiting for those little lights to come in, and then I just gotta finish the trim on the top part, get this bumper on better, and then we will be done with this thing. So iced out Bronco. She looking sick. Thank you guys so much for watching this build. I am going to start working on the fastback as soon as possible. Hopefully this next week. We'll post the first video of that, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys like this, subscribe and turn on notifications. And yeah, we'll see you guys later.